Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to hide online status on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to hide online status on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to hide online status on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are willing to make your activities personal and willing to show someone that you are online or not, the process is very simple and easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp app. Now you are seeing different chats and also three dots at the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on settings. From here, click on privacy. At the top, you are seeing last seen and online. Click on it. Who can see my online status? Click on nobody. At the bottom, who can see when I am online? Click on same as last seen. No one will be able to see your online status. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide online status on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.